Issue 25 of Build a McLaren.
We take the left-hand gearbox cowl and the tension rod diffuser stay. It only goes one way round, so if we put it there, it doesn't go, so it goes that way round. And then we take a type A screw and we screw it in. There's two screws, so it's one and then the second one there.
Part number 26.
Take the tension rod diffuser upper and the lower. These will go together like that, and then there's a screw that goes and holds them together. So first of all, we need to put a little bit of adhesive along the edge. Then we connect it to the cowl, then put the top on and then screw it together. So if I get a bit of adhesive, so just put a little bit on that edge. Okay, then that there, that will then go on top. Like that, and then we put a type E screw in the hole to hold it together. So that step is complete. Next we take this cowl and we'll put it to the gearbox. So it goes on this side, so this lug will go in that hole and that lug in that hole, and then there's a screw hole there. So if we just take that, and then we take a type E screw, which is the little silver one, and then we'll insert it there, being careful not to scratch the cowl. Right, so that part is complete.
Issue 27.
Take the right gearbox cowl and the right tension rod diffuser stay. Only goes one way round, and we will screw it together with two type A screws. So if I put a type A screw in the rear, and then we screw it together. One screw, and then we'll do the other. Okay, that's the end of that issue.
Issue 28.
We take the upper and lower diffuser, so if I put a little bit of adhesive on the lower bit, then we just put that in there, then this will go on top, and then a screw will go and hold it together. Next we take the cowl and fit it to this side of the gearbox. So it's got two locating holes and two tabs, and this end fits in there, and then we screw it in with a type A screw. So there's the type A screw. I've already cut the threads in the plastic to make it easier, and then now it goes in quite easy. Okay, so that's that side done as well.